Okay, so our lesson is on coins, and our first part of the lesson is on recognizing coins. So this is a penny. Now a penny is copper in color, and it has smooth edges. So all along the edge, it is smooth. It has the President Abraham Lincoln on one side of the coin, and it is the second smallest common coin. Now I phrase this way because there are many more coins that we will not talk about today because they're not common. So the penny is the second smallest common coin. This is a nickel. Now a nickel is silver, and it has smooth edges just like the penny. This one has Thomas Jefferson on one side of the coin, and it is the second largest common coin. This is a dime. The dime is also silver, but this one has a ridged edge. So it's bumpy along the edges and not smooth like the penny and the nickel. It has Franklin Roosevelt on one side of it, and it is the smallest common coin, even though it is not worth the least. And this is a quarter. The quarter is, once again, silver and has ridged edges like the dime. It has George Washington on one side of the coin, and it is the largest common coin. So, this is a comparison of all four of them together. On the far left, you have the penny, and then you have the nickel, and then the dime, and the quarter. And you can kind of see how they compare in size to one another.